all, welcome to this video regarding Monday.com WorkCanvas. I am Pratik and this video is brought to you by Aulysius. Aulysius is an IT solutions provider company based out of London and Dubai. Please visit our website to know more. Okay, let's begin with this video. In this video, I'll primarily cover two major aspects. One is what is Monday.com WorkCanvas. Second, what are the unique selling points for this specific product. So let's have a look at it. Firstly, in terms of the features, so on the left hand side, we can see that there are multitude of different features available to us. So Monday.com WorkCanvas is a whiteboard collaboration tool. Now that a lot of meetings have shifted to the virtual mode, to the online mode, like teams need several collaborative tools where they can work together and think together, like basically create something more freely together on a platform which would help them do their whole process. So let's see the features. Firstly, on the left hand side, we can see that we have an option to add templates. Now, different departments inside of a firm have different types of meetings going on, and they have like a specific set of process which runs every time. And it helps when there is a pre-existing template which could help them facilitate with their meeting. So as you can see here, we have a template for almost every team from HR to design to the management involved in strategy and planning. So every something is covered for almost each and every department. So this is all about the templates. Then we have options to add different types of shapes here. Just a second, I'll zoom in so that you can have a look at it. We have option to connect different types of shapes. So like, let's say that I have added a shape and a sticky note and I want to connect them to create an entire like workflow of my own, so I can do something of that sort. Also, I have different types of pens available so that I can like use the whiteboard tool more creatively and ideate more. So that is a cool feature that we have here in the work canvas. Now we have something apart from that which is really cool, so which is this frame feature. So basically, like, let's say that I defined a specific process and I want to create a slide out of it. So what I can do is I can create a slide here and I can see. So here I can see that I have created a specific frame. Now let's say that you like a specific department created a lot of slides inside of the whiteboard collaboration tool and they want to show it to a specific client. They can directly present the slides also, like the way I already prepared some frames. So you can directly show it to the client. So this is a cool aspect of it. There is an option to do video chat so that teams can like be verbally like in collaboration with each other at the same time collaborate on a specific whiteboard tool. There is an option to vote. There is an option for timer, basically to define time for specific creative aspects of the team. So those are some really cool features that we have, uh, apart from a lot of different things which already exist inside of monday.com. Now let's look at the unique selling points. Firstly, before I deep dive into the product specific unique things, I want to say that monday.com work canvas is something really cheap as compared to other competitors already existing in the market. So please contact us to know more about the pricing and other stuff. So now let's look at the USPs. A cool feature regarding monday.com work canvas is that you can link it to the normal monday.com board. So monday.com boards are workflow management boards where you can list all your tasks. So what you can do here is, like, let's say that I have a lot of different types of boards which I want to link it to my collaboration tool, so I can directly do that. So monday.com provides a two-way sync, so that is something really cool between the project management tool as well as the work canvas. So that is a good feature. Apart from that, there is another thing which is really cool. So that is something called as sync templates. So basically, like, let's say that you have a project management tool, that is the monday.com work canvas, and there you have timeline for a specific process. Now you want to visually see it inside of your collaboration tool, then you can do that as well. So I can like literally import the specific timeline thing here, and just a second, it is loading. And I can edit things directly here, which would be reflected into my monday.com board. So that is a really cool feature. I can assign tasks to different people so that everything is efficiently managed. So that was one use case that we saw regarding monday.com work canvas. Now there are several other use cases, like let's have a look at this. So this is something which I created for inventory management. So just a second, I'll zoom in. So as you can see here, like we have a visual depiction of each and every jewelry item. Apart from this, here we can see what's the stock, what is the pricing, when was the product released. And because it's directly linked to monday.com, once I click on it, I'll directly be directed towards that specific board. So this two-way sync is something which is really good regarding Monday work canvas. And that is not it. Like we have something for flow planning, or let's say you want something customized to be built for you inside of work canvas, then that is also something which we can do. So to summarize the whole video, starting from the basics, what we saw is that inside of monday.com work canvas, you can do multiple things, like from adding pre-existing templates, different types of texts, notes, shapes, connections. So those are all the different types of basic things which you can pretty much do inside of any whiteboard tool. Now the unique selling points which we also covered in this video were, firstly, it is the two-way sync with monday.com. So anytime you create an update inside of your monday.com normal boards, then it will be automatically updated inside of the work canvas, which helps you save a lot of grunt work and makes your process more automized. You also see that we can create different types of slides inside of work canvas, which you can directly present to external vendors. And lastly, we also have something really cool called as the sync templates, where you can create different types of like existing tools which are repeatable inside several processes of your company, and you can use it in collaboration with other workflow management tools. So yeah, that was all regarding this video. I hope you liked it. Thanks a lot.